Hi, welcome to Morosoft Technologies. It's me Ali here, recording a short video to show you filters and subtotal formula in Google Sheets. Alright, so there could be many ways, many reasons in which you need to filter out some data. Let me show you some of that. So in order to create the filters, all you have to do is to select the columns, alright, and then click on this create a filter icon. Alright, so the first row would be considered as the headings, and the rest of the rows would be the data columns. Alright, now for example, I want to filter out all the records with the first name as Jones. Right, I have to click over here, and I have to filter by values. Click on filter by values. Right, first of all I'll clear all. If I do okay, nothing here. And now if I type Jones, select and do okay, so all the values with the first name as Jones will be shown. All right, let's say we want to add an additional filter on the second name, last name, so we can do like this: clear all, filter all values by binder. Let's just select instead of typing. Okay, now we have all the values with the name of Jones binder. So let's say we want to have received the values greater than greater than the value of 4 or 5, whatever we want to have. So let's say we want to have greater than. We can do the formula like this. I'm doing 5. I'll click OK. So you see the last value is gone. Alright. So if I remove this filter, just select all. Now I see the other values. Alright. Now if you have noticed, this value changes as the data changes. Alright. So let me remove this filter as well. I'll just filter by condition. I'll just do it like this. Alright. Now this value changes. So over here we have used subtotal formula. So now in this subtotal formula, all the visible values are being counted. Alright. And by 9 means this formula is used as aggregator or whatever you call it. So with 9 we have the sum formula. All right, if I add 2, it will give me the count, and if I do 3, this will do the count A. Now there is one more thing I would like to share, is that please notice this dollar icon. With this dollar icon, the value of the column will not change. So let me show you. So let's say I'm gonna drag this like this. Now if I check, the value is changing. That's strange. Should not. To All right, so I have to add another dollar here. Sorry, my bad. So the column value doesn't change, the number value is changing. So I have to add another dollar here. So just give me a second. $1 starts here, the other here. All right. Now if I do again, drag again, you will notice that this value is same. Right, so this dollar is used to consider as the fixed value. So now from sum, I'm gonna change this to, let's change this to count, or let's do the count. Count is, I believe, number count A. Let's do count A. So count A is, I think, all values, not just the numeric. All right, now it says, I'll just name it as count A. So this says that values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, I can change this to, let's say, what is the maximum? So let's do 4. Case, let's do, I'll just write max. So the maximum is 575. All right, so that's how you can use the filters and this maximum subtotal formula. So this becomes very handy when you have to do some filters. So I needed this personally for uh, when I need to know the of total amount of orders of one of my business developer team members. So that's where we used, and this is quite handy once you're playing around with the data. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye bye.